Hello and welcome back to our channel guys, excelexperthat.com. In our basic learning video series, today we are going to see a next video which is how to put headers and footers in any Excel file. We are also going to see how to put the same headers and footers to the multiple sheets. So let's begin guys. Now let's put a header and footer to this file. First of all, we need to go to page layout. In the page layout under page setup tab, you will find out a tiny little logo in the corner which called page setup. Click on that logo and here you will find out in the page setup window header and footer. This is a header area guys and this is a footer area. In the header area, if you click on this drop down list, there are multiple different predefined options Excel provides. If I select any option, here you will see in the header area that option are displaying in the left side, middle and right side of the page. Similarly, if I click on footer drop down list, I can select any of the options and that option will be displayed in this area. So here confidential, date and page number is displaying. If I click OK now, these headers and footer will be applied to this page. But we will see some custom headers and footers. So how to customize your header? Click on customize and here you will see whatever the data you have selected earlier is displaying here. To delete this data, click in the tab and just backspace. Here I will put a page number. Instead of confidential, I would like to have a date, and instead of page number, I would like to have a file path name. Click OK and here you will see a page number, date and file name is displaying. Same way you can customize your footers also. Remove the confidential, put time, a sheet name, and at the last one you can put some page number oblique number of pages. Click OK. Here a current time, sheet number and the page number oblique the number of pages is displaying. If I click OK, go to view and select on page layout, those headers and footer will be displayed here. Here are the headers and we can scroll down and here you will find the footers also. So this way guys, from the first method you can put headers and footers. How to remove these headers and footer? Go to the page layout, same tiny little logo of page setup, go to the headers and footer, scroll down and click none. Same in the footer, scroll down and put a none. Click OK and headers and footers will be removed from your page. Now guys, we will see a second method of putting a header and footers to your page. So here go to the view tab and click on page layout. While you clicking on page layout, this page layout will open where you will see the headers in three sections, left, middle and right. Also in the same way for the footer, it will have a three sections, left, middle and right side. How to put a data in these header areas? Click on the header area and you will find out guys, this header and footer tab will be popped up. Click on the header and footer tab and you will find a multiple options like page number, number of pages, current date, current time, file path and so on. To put a data in your header, click on the header and here I would like to have a current date. In the middle, I would like to have a page number and at the right side, I would like to have a logo of a company. To put a logo of a company, click on picture, go to the from a file format, go to the file from and click on the logo and put insert. Once you click away from the footer area, the header content will get displayed. Like we have selected a date, page number and logo. If I like to edit this logo, like this logo is little bit tiny, I like to have it little bit bigger. So click on the same area, go to format picture. In the format picture, in scale area, put the exact scale you like to increase. Remember, this lock aspect ratio has to be checked. So your picture length and width will be increased in proportion. Click OK. Click away from the footer area and you will see your logo size has been increased. Same way, I like to put some data in the footer area. Click on the footer area, go to the header and footer. Here I would like to have a file name. Click on the file name. Then at the right side, I would like to see a page number oblique number of pages. Click away from the footer area and you will see here your file name is displayed and page oblique number of pages is displayed. This way guys, you can put headers and footers in your sheet. Now let's explore header and footer tab little bit more. Click on the header and footer tab. What are the options we can get here? We can put a sheet name also. Like here, I will remove a page number and put a sheet name. So here you will find out a sheet name, a sheet 1. Sheet name is displaying here. What are other options are in header and footer? You can jump to the footer or header directly. Right now you are at the header and you like to go to the footer. Just click on a footer and you will find out you have now in the footer. Same way, click on the header and you are at the header now. Here you can put a different first page, like give the first page a different header and footer from the rest of your document. Same way, you can go to the different odd and even pages. It will actually specify that odd number pages should have a different header and footer from even number pages. Scale with document. In the scale with document, you will find out specify whether the header and footer should scale as you use the shrink to fit. As you use the shrink to fit feature on the document. Next option is align with the page margin. It actually aligns the sides of the header or footer to the page margins. So these are some options are available in the header and footer which you can try on your own. So now click on the page and go to print. In the print option, we will find out our headers and footers are perfectly displaying on the page. If I click on the print now, these things will be get printed along with the other data. So this way guys, you can put a header and footer on the page with the two different methods. Now see how I can put the same settings to the different tabs also. For that reason, just click on your sheet 1. For that, you need to select the other sheets where you like to put the same header and footer. Press a Ctrl key and select other sheets and then go to the header and just click on the header. Click anywhere in the page, go to sheet number 2 and let's see if my headers and footers are applied here or not. Click on print and you will see guys, our headers and footers are also applied to sheet 2 also. Same way, go in the sheet 3, go to the file and print and you will find out in the sheet 3 also guys, our same header and footer are applied. So this way guys, you can put a header and footer in multiple sheets also. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you have learned something new in today's video. So please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon button to get our latest video notifications on time. Thank you very much guys, and before leaving, please do watch our other series of videos also where we have given our all Excel knowledge in detail and depth. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Take care.